Welcome to the Holiday Inn Express near Disneyland. This is the Anaheim Resort Area location just west of the park. Let's take the grand tour. The Mickey statue means this place is a good neighbor hotel to Disneyland. They have a comfortable lobby with lots of different seating areas and a mini market. You'll find drinks, essentials you might have forgotten to pack, candy, ice cream, and snacks for the park. The snacks are a little pricey, but it's still cheaper than Disneyland. Hey, if you don't want to have to worry about those prices, we're giving away a $100 Amazon gift card. Just subscribe and leave a comment to enter. The rules and eligibility are linked in the description. But back at the hotel, there are more amenities that you will want to know about for when you're not in the parks. The pool area is a real highlight here. The pool is heated and there's also a hot tub. They also have a splash pad, an outdoor shower, plenty of seating, and dedicated towels. Bring a swimsuit for your travel day. The hotel also has a very small laundry room with one washer and dryer. You can buy detergent instead of packing your own. The workout room is another highlight here with several machines to pick from. You'll find another water bottle refill station, bands, free weights, and another dedicated towel area. We got upgraded! Our new space includes some extra living area, a sectional sofa that pulls out into another bed, and a sink! You can get a regular room, an extra living area like what you're about to see here, or even a suite that includes some extra space and a special dining area. You can find our full room tour right up here in the corner, but here's a look at the large bathroom. Only one sink. The soap and shampoo are mounted in the shower tub combo, which I guess happens everywhere now. You can also get 2 queen beds or 1 king. There's a desk area if you need it, and if you have a sofa, it pulls out into another bed. One of the main reasons our family likes staying at the Holiday Inn Express location so much is because of the free hot breakfast. Before we look at that, if you're thinking about staying here, let us save you some money along the way. Our family uses Getaway Today for almost all of our theme park trips, and right now you can save over $500 by combining your hotel stay and your park tickets in the same package for the 70th anniversary of Disneyland. And if you just need park tickets right now, you can get them under $100 a day through Getaway Today through the summer. So give them a call at 855-GETAWAY and mention Ride the Teacups, or use our link in the description. It's an easy way to support our channel, and you get an extra Ride the Teacups discount just for saying our name. Breakfast includes coffee, juice, or water. There's always plenty of yogurt, milk, and eggs. You can start with pancakes and cinnamon rolls, muffins, bread, and bagels along with a toaster. There's lots of fruit, lots of cereal, and oatmeal along with all the toppings. Our hot choices today include bacon, turkey sausage, oof, I dropped it, sorry. Egg omelets, let's be a little extra careful this time, potatoes, and scrambled eggs. There's also tons of tables to pick from, and I apparently shot this in slow motion. No idea why. Whoops. But your kids can also watch their favorite Disney cartoons while they eat. The last question is the most important. How long does it take you to get to Disneyland from here?
All right, y'all, it is 1:24. Let's see what happens. How long does this take? This is a very pretty walk, though. You know what, y'all? That wasn't bad. I watched that 7 minutes, but I got stuck behind slow people. I think that's a 5er. That's doable. Quite happy with that, actually.
5 to 7 minutes to Disneyland. That's outstanding. Subscribe for more adventures and leave a comment to enter our giveaway. The rules are in the description. Click here to check out our room tour, or if you really don't want to walk, learn about the secret bus service to Disneyland instead. We love you. We'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.